I'm back. Is the guy ready to, fight Mario?
Yes, he is. He's actually pretty, good right now because he's unconscious. So, now you guys are gonna finally see the sneak peek of Snow Shadow. Snow Shadow, get in here.
What do you need, Master?
I need you. Oh, shoot. Wrong voice.
I need you to actually kill them, okay?
Yes,
Show them your customizations.
with pleasure. First things first, I have snow things on my back and a red bandana to hold my face on. I have this ruby that controls space and time, so I can teleport and I can use visions and I can use little illusions to lure my people in. Next, I have this claw arm that I use from Silver as a scythe, but I'm gonna use it for my hand. Don't worry, Silver, we have another one for you. It's coming up the next video. And I have this big claw arm that's with a scythe that I'm gonna use to puncture people. Ow, my nuts! Oh my god! But anyway, I had this cool claw arm. Looks pretty sick. And I'll conquer the world with it. And this ruby helps me fight, and it gives me, like, infinite tries. I'm like Deadpool, I can never die. I can only come back stronger than ever. So, when Silver comes and sees me like this in the next video, he won't have the balls to come get me, even though he says his muscles are full of steel in the next pumpkin patch video. His muscles won't defeat my muscles. Time to fight. Wait, who are you guys? That's it. I'm done with you, Mario. Take this. That's right. We need to take them down. Come on, guys. Let's defeat Snowstorm. Let's do it, guys. Come on, Barry. Okay, but I had beans last night, so I can't, Ew. You're disgusting. I don't want to touch you. Get out of here. Go use the bathroom. Go use the bathroom. I'll be probably back in the next scene. Okay. You twin, you come with me.
Hey, Dad?
What happened to your arm? Oh shit, my arm. Okay, you, Western Marineras, come with me. Wait a minute, why do they even call you that? Because I am a tomato, and I'm a Western tomato. So another sauce tomato is called marinara sauce. So I'm Western Marinara. Let's fight this. What's wrong with your leg? I was born like this. I can't really figure out why. Oh, wait, kind of fixed it. Okay, there we go. Let's fight. I'll fight him first. Wait, no, it's a bad idea. Why on the ground? My depression insomnia is acting up again. Okay, let's defeat them. This is gonna be a light work energy. Take this. Ow, my face hurts really badly. As under the book, you, whatever your name is, who's red, you get him. My name is Franco. Why did everybody sound like that? Sorry, my name is Franco. I'm gonna go destroy him. Okay, you do that. I'll sit here and think about Maria. Oh, no.
It's a little weird.
Oh, here's my real voice. Take this. Hi-ya! Ow. My God, he's bonding people like normal. Like anything. What's your name?
I don't really know. I just came here for the free food.
You gotta be... Hey, no cursing. Who's that? God? It's not me, God, you idiot. It's Eggman in heaven because you guys destroyed me in the last video. So no effing cursing, no cursing, no cursing. Oh. Shut up.
I'll lightning bolt you with Zeus.
Crap. Don't do that. Okay, guys, no cursing. We all know that, Shadow. This is your fault. Crap. You know what? I'm just gonna stop talking and sit down and let everybody else get their asses beat before I have to. So, Maria. I'm just gonna sit here and just think about my depression. I'll go next. I am,
Sub-Zero. Hiya!
This is a new one.
This is a new one. I'm gonna have to figure out with my laser X-ray hot vision, heat wave vision of where he is. Let's do it. Still don't see him. Bullseye. Hell out of my face.
Ooh. What's up, Mario?
Shut up.
Okay. Destroy me. Try your best. I have this laser claw arm.
He looks so worse than the other ones. I'm so smart. I'll use my feet as an arm, my tail, and my other tail to be the leg. Take this, hiya!
I don't need to fight you. That's how much of a loser you are. I'll ask my foot to fight you.
Your fucking talk?
Shut the fuck.
Hey, this is Eggman. Stop freaking cursing, you buffoons!
Okay. Take this, Tiny. Wait. Arr! Stupid little fox, idiot. On to the next person. To be continued. Actually, right now. Let's do it.
Ow. Everything hurts. Ow, frick. Ow.
I know I can do it. I am basically God. Take this. Crap. He hit my frickin', self-destruct button. 3, 2, nope!
That leaves me, I guess.
This leaves me. Well, I don't really want to defeat you because you kind of look like Brooklyn T guy, and I really like Brooklyn T guy, so I'll just do that, paralyzed move they do in, Chikai Lung skills.
You're gonna do that to me. I already know 3, different kind of 5 moves of Chi Kai Long.
You'll see about that, you stupid bitch.
Hey, no cursing.
I'll allow it. He's grieving right now.
Nah, screw you, Eggman. Wait, you know what? Take this. Whoa! My sinus cavity. Oh my god, that really hurt. Why do I feel so weak?
Because I hate your sinus cavity.
Oh, well, you did bad.
Is he dead? I'm gonna check on him. Dude, are you dead? Hello? He has no pulse. I think I actually just killed him. Well, I hope you guys don't like this video, or not dislike, like this video if you guys liked it. I don't know what's really happening to him. I think he actually is dead. Not really, it's just a plushie. But, I'm gonna take him back to the, Sonic headquarters and try to figure out why he's so evil. He probably snapped like Joker snapped his neck. Haha. That was really actually hardcore. Don't dislike this video. Please don't. Please don't like this video. Get off the camera. Okay. I'm gonna take him back. Bye. Bye, guys.
That was a nice bathroom break. Where? You guys okay? We just got our asses kicked. Are you guys okay? No response. I think they're dead.
This is kind of weird. Why they look like that? That's really weird. Well, I took a poo-poo in my panties, wansies. I don't know what's gonna happen now. Subscribe if you're new. I'm scared I'm gonna go orange silver. Bye.
You're noob.